This rosemary hair growth spray curbs hair loss, promotes hair growth and restores the healthy shine of your tresses. You must use it for at least a week or two before noticing any results. It also boosts overall scalp health and is a complete solution for most of your hair issues. Follow these steps to make DIY rosemary hair growth spray at home. Boil 2 cups of water with 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary, 1 tablespoon of rice, and 1 teaspoon of cloves for about 15 minutes. Let the mixture cool down and then strain it to remove the solid ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the strained liquid and mix well. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle for easy application. Shake the bottle before each use to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Application. Start with clean, dry, and styled hair. Shake the spray bottle containing the rosemary, rice, cloves, and olive oil mixture to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. Hold the bottle about 6 to 8 inches away from your hair and spray the mixture evenly throughout your hair. Focus on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair, as these are the areas that usually need more nourishment. Gently massage your hair with your fingers to distribute the spray evenly. You can leave the spray in your hair without rinsing it out. It will act as a leave-in treatment to provide moisture and nourishment to your locks. Style your hair as desired. You can let it air dry or use a hairdryer and other styling tools as usual. Benefits of spray. Nourishment. Rosemary, rice, cloves, and olive oil all have nourishing properties that can benefit your hair. They contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help improve the overall health of your hair. Moisturizing. Olive oil is known for its moisturizing properties, which can help combat dry and frizzy hair. It helps to lock in moisture and keep your hair hydrated. Strengthening. Rice is rich in amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that can help strengthen your hair, making it less prone to breakage and split ends. Hair growth. Rosemary has been traditionally used for promoting hair growth. It stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which may encourage hair growth and reduce hair fall. Anti-inflammatory. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the scalp and reduce irritation, which may be beneficial for those with a sensitive scalp or scalp conditions. Natural ingredients. Since the hair spray is made with natural ingredients, it may be a better option for those who prefer to avoid chemical-laden commercial products. Added shine. Olive oil can add a natural shine to your hair, making it look healthier and more lustrous. Improved manageability. The spray may help with detangling and improving the manageability of your hair, especially if it tends to be dry and difficult to style. Aroma. The natural scent of rosemary and cloves can leave your hair smelling fresh and pleasant.